Good afternoon, everyone. Yes, good afternoon. কোথায় গেল? Please mute your microphone. Shoptorshi. Good afternoon. Welcome back to your class 2 science class. Your first chapter, Plant Kingdom, which we already started. And we discussed about the parts of plants and those kinds of plants, trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers. We already discussed about it, right? Have you read this chapter? Have you read it at your home? Alokendu Bishas, please mute your microphone. Yes. Okay. I'm fine. Arithro Shet. How are you, everyone? In this situation, hope you all are fine in your home. Okay, very good. So today we have to start the exercise part of this chapter, Plant Kingdom. So everyone open the page number 7. Page number 7. Okay, the exercise part of this chapter, and take your science copy book with you because you have to write it only science copy book. And I told you to practice this exercise to try at your home. Hope you all tried it, and I will tell you the answer today. Okay, so are you ready with copy book? Okay, so let's start with question A. Tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer. You know, here some statement given with 3 options, and you have to choose the correct options which is appropriate with this statement. Okay? Yes. So first question is, tall and strong plants are called. Tall and strong plants are called. And write it in full sentence, Sharanya and everyone. Very good, Arithro. Niladri, write it in full sentence. Tall and strong plants are called. Option A, creepers. Option B, climbers. Option C, trees. Very good, Anik, Anushka. Everyone write it in full sentence. I am also writing here. Tall and strong plants are called. Yes, very good, everyone. That is tree. That is tree. So the trees is the correct option. Option C, trees. Tall and strong plants are called trees. Very good. Now go to the question number 2. Rose plant is a. Option A, tree. Option B, climber. Option C, shrub. So, how is the rose plant? Very good. Very good, everyone. This is shrub. S-H-R-U-B. It's again option C, shrub. So, rose plant is a shrub. So, here is your answer of question A, that tall and strong plants are called trees and rose plant is a shrub. Okay? Now go to the question B. Question B. Question 1. Here is unscramble the letters to find the names of plants. Here some words in your book. See, some words are with these letters which is already scrambled here, and you have to arrange it and make a meaningful name of plant. Meaningful name of plant. Okay. So first one is very good. This is mango. Question 1. This is mango. Very good. What will be the option? Question number 2. TMTOAO. What will be that? Very good. Very good. That is tomato. 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 Okay. Yes. Very good. Now question 3. CTOOTN. What will be that? Tell me. Very good. Darsh, Antara, Sharanya, very good. This is cotton. 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 Yes. Now go to the question number 4. TMIN. What will be that? TMIN. Yes. Very good. Everyone give the answer. Very good, Ahana, Shaptarshi, Sharanya, very good. Priyanshu, Aritro, very good, Zarin. So that is mint. M-I-N-T. Mint. Very good, Debayon. So here is answer of question B. First one is mango, second is tomato, third one is cotton, and last one is mint. Okay? So have you completed question A and question B in your copybook? Have you completed? Okay. Now go to the question number C. Okay, very good. I have to erase it now. Very good, Anirban. Very good, Aritro. Question number C. Complete the sentence with the help of the words given below. Here you can see two sentences given in your book, and beside it in this pink box you will get the two words, and with help of those words you have to fill those blanks. Okay? Yes, and you have to write it in full sentence, everyone. Very good, Anushka. So your first question is, short and strong plants are called dash. Priyanshu, write it in full sentence. Short and strong plants are called dash. So what will be the answer? Very good. Yes, Very good. Angsdeep, Debayon. Very good. Shaptorshi. So that is shrubs. 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 So short and strong plants are called shrubs. Okay. Now go to the question number 2. Dash grow along the ground. Dash grow along the ground. Which plant can grow along the ground? Very good, Sharanya, Zareen, Niladri, Angsdeep. Very good, Anushka, Darsh. So that is creepers. 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 So creepers grow along the ground. Creepers grow along the ground. Okay? Can you tell me any 2 name of creepers? Any 2 example of creepers? Anyone? Yes, very good. Any 2, Arithro? Yes. So that is watermelon, pumpkin, battlegourd. Very good. Now go to the question number D. Answer the following questions. So here your first question is, name any 3 shrubs. You have to give any 3 example of shrubs. Okay? Any 3. Any 3 example. 3 of shrubs. Very good, Zareen. Very good. So here is 3 name: rose, hibiscus and cotton. Rose, hibiscus, cotton. I am right here. 3 name of shrubs. Okay? Three name of shrubs: rose, hibiscus, cotton. Rose, hibiscus, cotton. Now tell me any 3 name of herbs. Any 3 name of herbs. Give me any 3 example. Very good, Anushka. Yes. Very good, Sharanya. Now give me any 3 name of herbs. Rose is not herbs. As I told you just now, rose is the example of shrubs. Very good. Yes, tomato, rice, mint. Tomato, rice, wheat, aloe vera. This is also one example of herbs. Yes. Okay, very good. Now go to the question number 3. Name any 2 climbers. Give me any 2 example of climbers. Any two. Okay. Yes. Very good, Niladri, Shaptoshi. I told you four name, right? Money plant, grapevine, pea plant, and beans. So you can write any two name in your copybook. So I'm writing here money plant and pea plant. Here is two example of climbers and the two example of creepers which you already told me, that is watermelon and buttergourd or pumpkin. Any two you can write. I am writing here watermelon and pumpkin. Okay, so today here we completed the question D. Have you completed? I have to erase the 1 and 2 answer of. Okay. Now go to your next question, that is question number E. Check this at the question, page number 8. Tick the correct answer. Here one statement given here with 3 options and you have to choose the correct one. Which answer is correct you think, just write down here. Okay. So question E is, first is, a tree gives us fruits, flowers, wood and many other things. What value do you learn from trees? As you just learn in this plant kingdom that trees give us many things, right? So tree give us fruit, flower, wood and many useful things. So what do you learn from the trees? Is it to be selfish? Is it to share things we have? Or is it not share anything at all? So which things you learn? What will be the correct? Please mute your microphone and use the chat box. Very good, very good. So the correct is to share things we have. To share things we have. Yes, so that is the correct option. This value we learn from trees. Okay? Okay, so today we completed the exercise part of this chapter, Plant Kingdom. We completed it and you have to practice this exercise part at your home and you have to read this text part very attentively of the plant kingdom. And if you will face any kind of problem, you can ask me on your next class. Okay? Hope you all completed. Okay. So that's all for today, everyone. And